If you love K-pop, K-drama, or K-beauty, you need to know this alphabet because everything starts here. Today we're going to explore the story of Hangul. Every writing system in the world is beautiful in its own way. Chinese characters evolved over thousands of years from pictographs. The Latin alphabet developed gradually across regions and centuries. Hangul is different. Hangul was created in 1443 by a legendary king, the great King Sejong. Here's the story. Before Hangul, Korean people used Chinese characters, but most common people couldn't read or write. Only the educated elite could. King Sejong wanted to change that. He believed everyone, rich or poor, should be able to read and write. So he created Hangul, a writing system for the people. Here's what makes it truly unique. Hangul is the only writing system in the world where we know exactly who created it, when it was created, and why it was created. It wasn't accidental. It wasn't chaotic. It was intentionally designed, scientific, logical, incredibly easy to learn. That's why UNESCO described Hangul as one of the most scientific and systematic writing systems in the world. Pretty amazing, right? Hangul is a sound-based alphabet. It literally turns sounds into symbols. Letters are shaped after how your mouth moves. The consonants reflect the position of your tongue and lips. Hyok shows the tongue touching the back of the mouth. Nian represents the tongue touching the upper gums. Mium is the shape of your closed lips. This isn't just writing, it's a visual map of sound. But Hangul doesn't stop there. The vowels are based on a philosophical idea. A dot represented the sky. A horizontal line represented the earth. A vertical line represented humanity. Heaven, earth, human. And from these simple elements, an entire system was born. With just 14 consonants and 10 vowels, you can create unlimited combinations of sounds. Clean, smart, powerful. When you learn Hangul, you unlock a new world. You can read song lyrics, understand dramas without subtitles, read cosmetic labels, and even write fan letters to your favorite idols. When you travel to Korea, restaurants, cafes, street signs, subway maps, you can actually read them yourself. That's real freedom. When you understand Hangul, you begin to see Korea differently. And this is just the beginning. Welcome to Korean and beyond.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.